Can you reduce your air conditioner's electricity bills? Yes, you can. Up to 30% is possible. That's what we will see how this can be reduced at zero cost, low cost and high cost. First, you stand in front of your EB meter in your building premises and you switch off all the fans, tube lights, fridge, etc., all the UPS, geysers, whatever it may be, all the gadgets switch off in your house and allow your AC only to run. And record the kilowatt, volts and amps of the AC. And you compare this with that of your AC OEM's nameplate and what is there and what is its consumption, and if there is any deviation you can discuss with your OEM AC service team as such. In your house around 20 units are consumed per day, means 10 units goes towards AC only. So in 30 days 300 units AC is consuming, means you can save around 100 units per month now as such. To start with, the comfort zone start with air circulation, and practically we use the mid portion of the ceiling fans. The BLDC fan consumes only 11 watts, whereas your ceiling fan consumes around 46 watts. So the residents who are having the inverters at home, they are very much satisfied with the BLDC fans, and BLDC fans, it was giving a backup of 6 hours, whereas the ordinary ceiling fan gave a backup of only 2 hours. You can see the mid portion, all the wattage ratings at mid portion at 46 watts and 11 watts. So the BLDC fan is going to be the order of the day, and definitely wherever the ceiling fan, old ceiling fan is there, it needs to be replaced with the BLDC fan only as such. Ceiling fan, the comfort we are achieving through ceiling fan, air cooler and air conditioner. Ceiling fan means the air circulation we get only 10 watts per square meter, whereas for an air cooler in a dry areas, air cooling is needed and it consumes around 40 watts per square meter, whereas the air conditioner consumes around 200 watts per square meter. The ordinary ceiling fan consumes 20 times less than that of your air conditioner, and if you had installed a BLDC fan, it consumes 100 times less than that of your AC. That is why it is suggested by the experts, HVAC experts, to run a AC and a BLDC fan and raise the temperature to 27 degrees Celsius, so that the electricity bill also can be reduced, and medically it is good for our human health as such. Let us cut our AC electricity bills by smart running daily as such. We have 3 types of mode that is available. You can see in your remote also: sleep mode, timer mode and eco mode. In the sleep mode, the AC automatically adjusts the temperature during the night and it prevents the overcooling and it saves power when you are sleeping. In the timer mode, you can set the time, instead of 8 hours sleep, you can set it for 4 hours, and 4 hours the compressor will be on, other next 4 hours the fan will be on, and your sleeping also is not disturbed, and this also gives electricity savings. Eco mode is used in the mild summer days where the compressor usage is made less and it consumes less power, and AC bill also reduces. Thanks to all the Voltas and other AC OEMs the energy saving tips as such. After installing this runner and kWh meter in your air conditioner, you can see the difference by smartly running your AC daily as such. The runner and a single phase kWh meter, it's just 1000 rupees only, and 1000 combo meter it is, and this can be installed at the incoming of your AC in the premises, and this will show the number of hours the AC has run per day and the total units consumed. Ultimately, the units per hour of the given AC will show whether it is as per the nameplate, or if there is any deviation is there, you can check with the service team. And whenever we are paying the electricity bill after a month, on the day only you find almost 3000 to 5000 rupees the jump is there, but this with this combo meter of run hour and kWh meter, you can monitor your air conditioning usage daily or weekly, and accordingly you can optimize your usage as such. Focus on the AC outdoor health. This is only boiling under the sun to cool your room. So first, outdoor needs to be focused, it needs to be comforted. Provide a weatherproof shade with a headroom on the top of it permanently, or e-commerce platforms you find this top cover that is available, it just costs only 1000 rupees. The case study suggests almost it reduces the AC bill by almost 10% as such. Next, the case study shows the round duct that is fixed on the fan delivery side. Normally it is called velocity recovery ring. It is used on the cooling towers and all bigger size condenser fans, but this can be also used on the split AC outdoor fan also. This reduces the AC run hours, compressor run hours, it increases the heat transfer, and overall electricity bill also reduces. This we have observed during our energy audit at Ramco Textile Mills at Rajapalayam. Till date your AC outdoor did not have any rubber pads at the bottom leg. You can just buy it from the market and you can make it to 4 pieces and just insert it at the bottom of the leg. Once it is not there, the vibration will start, and over years the minute leak happens and the AC compressor runs more as such. So you don't allow the use, you can avoid the leakage by fixing this anti-vibration pads, and do not allow your AC to vibrate, outdoor unit to vibrate as such. Next, don't allow your condenser fan to you need to allow the condenser, AC outdoor condenser, to have a full flow of air delivery. Around 2 meters delivery area, it should be open area, and it should not have any wall or any obstruction in between. If it is delivering fully only, the heat transfer will happen and the AC compressor run hours will come down and the AC will be cooling inside quickly as such. Service your AC once in a year before summer, and if your AC is serviced, you can see in your run hours before and after the service what is the change in your this one. And do it yourself style, you can use your detergent water in the agriculture sprayer this one can and clean the fins of the outdoor, and you can also cover the copper wires or the copper pipes that is left open under the sun. If it is covered with foam and tape, your AC health improves and the AC compressor also runs less per day as such. Once in 2 weeks, clean your AC indoor air filters, and if the air filters are not cleaned, the compressor runs for 5 to 15% more hours per day. Once you are cleaning the air intake filters, indoor filters, you can keep a spare filter so that you can replace and accordingly allow only a dry filter to be installed, not a moist filter. This also chokes the filter faster as such. Wherever you are having west facing walls, you can use the insulation films or the bamboo like curtains to reduce the heat load. And when the outdoor is at the west side, you can take preventive shade to prevent from the sun as such. Aircon saver that is installed on all the it can be installed in all the non-inverter ACs. See, this will give almost 20% energy savings, electricity savings. This costs only 6,000 rupees and is available on e-commerce platforms. A 5-star AC costs almost 40,000 plus, whereas on the existing AC which is around 3 years or 5 years old, you don't need to replace your AC, you can just retrofit this aircon saver and this will give the same 20% savings, and the AC OEMs or the service setup team have to focus this on length and install this on non-inverter AC as such. Heat reflective paint on open terraces and buildings, it is becoming mandatory now. In all the state governments buildings, residential and commercial buildings in cities and towns, the heat reflective paint the project is going in a massive scale, and you can also attempt to have this heat reflective paint on your open terrace. Almost you can see from 48 degrees it has reduced to 39 degrees, 7 to 9 degrees temperature reduction. This reduces your AC load and your electricity bill on the AC consumption also reduces, and more brands now have come now with a 10-year warranty. You can definitely make use of it as such. Bureau of Energy Efficiency always guides the user to set the AC temperature to 24 to 25 degrees, and any temperature that is increased by 1 degree centigrade, almost 6% electricity savings is achieved. You can very much understand our human body temperature is almost 37 degrees. You can tune your mindset to keep your AC temperature also at 27 degrees, that is 10 degrees less than that of our human body temperature. At 27 degrees, this 24% electricity savings is achieved. Also it is medically good for us, that is what proven by the experts, and that is what it is told by the government Bureau of Energy Efficiency under the Ministry of Power. Plan to grow more trees. Please plan to grow more trees around your house, around your area, around your locality. This cools your building premises, this cools your area, and always it will reduce your air conditioning bills also. The green surroundings and the environment is very much wanted for our country now. Thank you, thank you, thank you.